This is our third video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to make a table in HTML. So you guys seen, be sure to see our earlier videos, and we started Android Studio, so be sure to see those videos if you're interested in. So we ended off in our last chapter like this. So what we want to do to create a table is I'm just going to put a comment tag right first. I'm just going to put a comment to show you guys. So we'll put comment like that, and you end it off like that. So inside this I'm just going to put table test, and basically you always want to put the dashes, not underscore, but like that. So inside that, what we're going to do, we're going to create a table. So for that, we're going to put table, close table. Inside that, we're going to put a tr, and that's the row, table row. We're going to close that up like gnr tr, and inside the tr we want to put td. Td is the stuff we want to be inside of it. So I'm just gonna go back there, and yeah, so you want to just close that up. I'm just gonna put 3 stuff to show you in our table. I'm just gonna put another row. I'm just gonna put 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns inside of it. So I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm just gonna save that right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see that it's in a 2 by 3. That means 2 rows. This is a row, table row, and this is the column. Like in 2 rows there are 3 stuff, just like we did here. In this row there's 3 stuff, and in this row there's just 3 stuff. That is 2 rows. So basically after this, we can actually put inside this, we could put a th inside the tr. We could just put 1 row dedicated to like the title of those rows. So if you're having like something like names, we can have one on the top that's bold, and it's bold, and instead of putting inside this like a bold attribute, like if you're putting an em, you don't have to do that. In a table, you can actually put inside the tr, you could put a th, which is the title of the column. You could say, yeah, it's the title of the column. So you want to just close that up. And we have 2 rows, so 3 stuff. So I'm just gonna put 3 times name, name 2, and name 3. So now if we save this right now and reload our page, we can actually see that we didn't use em, no strong attribute or any attributes like that, but we used the th, which made it bold, and it was like the title the title of that row, of that column. So basically that's how you do it. And if you want to like have your stuff like in a way that it looks better, you can actually edit this using CSS and make the table look really cool. More tr if you want more rows, and if you have more information, you use more th. So basically that's how you do a table, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the subscribe button if you liked it, and leave a comment below. Thanks.